Is your GMC Acadia key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the most common culprit. This video guides you through a simple DIY battery replacement for 2024-2025 Acadia models, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. We'll cover everything you need, from identifying the right battery to step-by-step instructions. The 2024-2025 GMC Acadia key fob requires a CR232 3-volt lithium coin battery for replacement. To open the fob without damage, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. These CR232 batteries are widely available at most retailers or online, costing around $2 to $5 each. For best results, avoid cheap unbranded batteries to prevent leakage and ensure reliable performance. Locate the small seam on the side of your key fob. This is where the two halves meet and need to be separated. Carefully insert the plastic pry tool or flathead screwdriver into the seam. Gently twist to separate the two halves. For 2024-2025 models, the clips can be a bit tight, so apply steady, even pressure. Avoid excessive force, as this can damage the internal circuit board. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery held in place by a small metal clip. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently lift the clip and remove the old battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up towards the circuit board. Proper orientation is crucial for the new battery to function correctly. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the fob, ensuring the positive plus side is facing the circuit board, matching the orientation of the old battery. Press down gently to secure the battery in place under the metal clip. Make sure the battery sits flush within the housing. Step 4. Reassembling and testing the key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together. Ensure the seam is closed completely to maintain proper functionality and weather resistance. Test the fob's functionality by pressing the lock, unlock, remote start, and panic button. Each button should respond immediately with the appropriate vehicle action or audible confirmation. If any function doesn't work, consult your vehicle's owner's manual for potential reprogramming instructions. These are usually found in the infotainment system under Settings, then Vehicle, then Remote Lock, Unlock, Start. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, double-check the battery orientation and ensure it's a new, functional battery. If issues persist, the fob housing may be damaged, especially related to the 2025 recall number 25V123. Check your vehicle's VIN on the GMC website to verify if it falls under any recalls. Extreme cold temperatures can also affect battery performance, so consider this if problems occur during winter. Replacing the battery yourself saves significant money compared to professional services. Dealerships often charge $50 to $150 for this simple task, while DIY costs just $2 to $5 for the battery. Looking ahead, expect more eco-friendly, rechargeable batteries that last longer and reduce waste. Eventually, solar-powered fobs may eliminate battery changes, while smartphone-based keyless systems could make physical fobs obsolete. But for now, DIY remains a cost-effective solution for GMC Acadia key fob battery replacement.